how to log in kwi-XM app. Siloga kanjani kwi-XM app? Kulula. Ake sithi awukho kuleli page la kwa-XM. Asivule ipage elisha. Wenze njani? Utype i-website xmza.com. Right? Then upressa enter on your keyboard, or we are selector from the drop down list. If screen sakho asibonakali kanje, you're just gonna go to trading, right? And then you go to accounts, right? Then from accounts you just go to get started, because ngiyazi kwesinye isikhathi inokuvela differently. And then ikuvezele leli page leli, then bese uthi log in. Okay? Bese uthi log in. Then bese uyakwazi ukungena, okay? Right. But if awutholi leli page engisuka kulona, it's still simple. Uzothola leli page leli. Mau type nje xmza.com uzolenda kuleli page leli. Then bese uvele uclick abani log in. Right? So mau click log in izobe sekufaka through. But now ngifuna ukunibonisa ukuthi ngiloga kanjani in. Let me just sign out completely. Yabo? Let me just sign out completely and then close here, and then bese ngithi ke log in nakya. Then yabo usuthola ipage ezokufuna email address, ikufune nepassword, then bese uyafaka. Then mawuqedile angithi niyayizwa notification kungena i-email efonini yami iyangitshela ukuthi i-XM isingithumelele ini i-OTP, one time pin. Sengiyahamba ke ngiyayifaka ngithi one time pin ngiyayifaka. Right, athi ngifake all right. So ngiyayifaka one time pin yami ithini 832757. Then sengiyaverify, yabona ithini, the code is invalid or has expired, try again. Uma uthola inkinga efana nale guys, akusikhona ukuthi inkinga inkulu. It's because unama OTP amaningi la ku email address yakho, nale entshe eqeda ukungena awusaboni ukuthi yona yipi, yabo. So i-solution to this problem, delete wonke ama OTP osuke wathola from kwa-XM, usale ungenayo i-email ekhuluma nge-OTP, bese uya requesta, bese uzothini uthi resend. Right, let me just delete anything eno XM Global no OTP ngiyadelete. All right, sharp sengidelethile. Then bese ngithini resend the code. Resend the code. Okay, simele ke. Right, seyifikile, sengiyitholile. Then bese ngiyahamba ke ngiyofaka manje i-code yami. Sengizoklikha la ngithi ithi 117456. Right? Bese ngithi verify. Yabo? I'm inside the XM app. Angithi niyabona lonto guys. Nice. So if ufuna ukudownloada i-app yakhona, before you log in, you just gonna scroll down the page. Angithi yabo? Scroll down the page. Bawona mawufika la ekugcineni izothini nayi Apple Store. Mangabe usebenzisa iPhone uzoklikha leli button ikuse la udownloada khona i-app, okay? Uma ngabe usebenzisa Android uzoklikha leli button la Google Play ikuse la uyodownloada khona i-app. Ama link lawa wokudownloada i-app uma ungafuni ukulokhu njalo type xmza.com, ufuna nje ukuba ne-app, then udownloada lapha ya.